What if reading wasn't just a school skill, but a lifelong source of comfort, adventure, and quiet joy? Too often, kids associate books with worksheets, reading logs, and pressure to sound out every word perfectly. But real literacy grows not from obligation, but from delight. Start by separating school reading from joy reading. Let your child know, this book is just for fun, no quiz, no summary, no performance needed. Hand them comics, graphic novels, joke books, or even cereal boxes. If it holds their interest, it counts. Create cozy reading nooks, a blanket fort, a window seat with pillows, a backyard hammock. Make it inviting, not instructional. Light a candle, play soft music, or share hot cocoa. Reading should feel like a gift, not a chore. Read aloud, even to tweens. Your voice brings stories to life in a way screens never can. Let them pick the book, even if it's too easy or silly. Joy lives in choice. Visit the library like it's a playground. Let them wander the aisles, pull books off shelves, flip through pages. No agenda. No, this is educational. Just curiosity. The more they browse, the more they discover what they love, not what you think they should read. Talk about books like you talk about movies. That character reminded me of you, or I couldn't believe they did that. What would you have done? Keep it conversational, not analytical. And never force a child to finish a book they dislike. That teaches endurance, not love. Say, it's okay to quit. There are thousands of other stories waiting. Model it yourself. Let them see you lost in a novel, smiling at a poem, or rereading a favorite passage. Your quiet absorption speaks louder than any "reading is important" lecture. Most importantly, protect reading time from screens. Not as punishment, but as sanctuary. In a world of fast, flashy content, a slow, deep dive into a story is radical self-care. When kids read for joy, they build focus, empathy, vocabulary, and imagination, not because they're told to, but because they're hooked by a character, a mystery, a world that feels like home. And that love? It lasts a lifetime. Welcome to Genius Parenting, where books are bridges to wonder, not just report cards. If this reminded you why stories matter beyond the classroom, give it a like. It helps other parents raise joyful readers, not just proficient ones. Share it with someone who wants their child to fall in love with books, not just decode them. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a genius parenting tip on raising curious, creative, and deeply connected kids, one page at a time.